Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need YouTube Premium or a browser that lets audio continue. This is the quickest way to start. Once you have that, enable background app refresh and give audio permissions so playback persists. Next, open YouTube and cue the video or playlist you want. Start playback, then lock your screen or switch apps to verify audio keeps playing. This step prevents interruptions from app timeouts, and you'll understand why permissions and premium matter for reliable background listening. Once playback works in background, optimize how it behaves. Use picture-in-picture or the mini player if your device supports it, because visual controls make skipping easier without reopening the full app. Make a playlist or save videos to keep continuous audio. This removes manual restarts. Also adjust autoplay, quality, and cellular data settings to lower buffering risk and reduce data usage, which keeps background play steady during weak signals, so you won't lose audio when moving between networks. To finalize, lock your screen or switch apps and confirm audio continues. This proves your setup is complete. If playback stops, first restart the YouTube app, often a simple fix, then try toggling background app refresh or re-signing into your account. Make sure your subscription is active if needed, and verify permission settings. If that fails, restart the device. One key troubleshooting tip is to clear the app cache or use a browser with background audio support, because app corruption often causes persistent stop issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.